To paint a mural, first, draw out your design on a piece of paper. Then, draw a grid over the design. Measure the wall space you have available for your mural. And draw a blown-up grid on the wall with chalk that has a 1-to-1 ratio with the grid on your drawing. Use a woodworking pencil to outline your design on the wall grid, using your original design grid as a reference. Alternatively, you can use a digital projector to project your design onto the wall and then trace it with a woodworking pencil. After you make the outline, go back in with an art pencil and add the details. Use scaffolding or a ladder if you aren't able to reach the entire wall as you're drawing. Now you're ready to start painting. Use acrylic paint with a high light fastness rating for your outdoor murals so it holds up to the elements. Latex paint works great for indoor murals and is less expensive. Paint the biggest blocks of color on your mural first, using either a paint roller or a paint sprayer. Let the first coat dry, then apply more coats as needed. Next, paint the finer details using paintbrushes. Finish your design by adding any outlines and shadows with black paint. Let the mural dry for about 1 week. Finally, seal it with a coat of clear, water-based, non-yellowing varnish to protect it.